Hi, I'm Jeff Moisen with Home Group Realty. Welcome to 394A Churchill Court in Waterloo. This semi-detached home offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a finished basement, and plenty of recent upgrades. And the location is amazing. It's tucked away on a small, quiet court, right near Fisher Hallman and Erb, close to both universities, and has plenty of nearby parks and amenities. Let's go take a look inside. The inviting open concept main level offers plenty of space in its living room, dining area, and kitchen. You'll absolutely love the updated kitchen with its classic cabinets, beautiful granite countertops, and its island with a sit-up bar. This kitchen has been designed for function, style, and enjoyment. And the stainless steel fridge, stove, and built-in microwave are all being included with the sale of this home. The living room has lovely laminate flooring, and the dining area offers more than enough space for your large harvest table. The main level also provides the convenience of a 2-piece washroom and access to the single-car garage. The upper level features 3 spacious bedrooms that have just received new carpet, fresh paint and lighting, and new California ceilings. The master bedroom is large and bright and has ensuite privileges to the main 4-piece washroom. The 2 additional bedrooms are the perfect size for the kids or to set up your home office. And the main bathroom has recently been updated with a new vanity and countertop. On the lower level, you will love the added bonus of having a finished rec room, an additional washroom, and a full laundry room with some extra storage space. This home also features plenty of upgrades, including a newly installed flat roof by DAngelo Sons Roofing in the spring of this year, the kitchen in 2019, windows and doors in 2018, and the air conditioner in 2019. With this home, you will enjoy having your own private yard that features a private deck and a partially fenced yard space with plenty of room to create your own outdoor living space. As you can see, this home has so much to offer. Give me a call today for your own private viewing. I look forward to hearing from you.